This is Kevin with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 837 Atlanta Ave, 63119. Now I've pushed all the way out to the 6x4 transition, 6-inch clay to 4-inch cast iron. We line from this cast iron all the way back to the PVC that is going up to the main waste stack. I'll start pulling back, show the condition of the pipe. There was a crack in the cast iron that we fixed with our CIPP liner, tear in place pipe liner. You can see it's right at the transition. There's a downspout connection on the right side of it. Pull back, show the condition of our liner. Here's the Y connection on the right. This is for area way drain, floor drain. Continuing to pull back. Here we are at the PVC. As you can see, it's a beveled edge. It will not allow any water to go on the outside of the liner. Coming up the stack now. Runs out that way, goes out to the back of the building. This has been a final video for our CIPP liner at 837 Atlanta Ave, 63119.